One feature we didn't highlight in our main video is also one of the most important: safety. The Viper Snowblower comes equipped with the trusted and thoroughly tested Viper Cutting Edge. If you're using a different inverted snowblower, you don't need to replace your machine. You can upgrade your current equipment with this proven cutting edge and improve its performance and protection. The Viper Cutting Edge is simple, low maintenance, and built for real-world snow conditions. It has been tested in the field and helps prevent damage from common obstacles like manhole covers, curbs, and uneven pavement. It's designed to trip on impact, allowing the blower to continue moving without bending the edge or damaging the blower itself. The machine keeps going, and the operator stays in control. That helps protect your equipment, your team, and your time on the job. We've seen what happens without this kind of protection: bent cutting edges, broken windshields, and damage to the back of the tractor that could have been avoided. These issues lead to downtime, repair costs, and lost productivity. The Viper Cutting Edge can be installed on inverted blower brands such as Normand, Pronovost, and Bilodeau. It improves your blower's performance and extends its working life by making it safer, more durable, and capable of delivering a cleaner, more consistent scrape all season long. Winter is coming, and the first storm won't wait. Call us or visit our website to get your upgrade in place before the snow starts to fall.